first two, what we were doing is the arms were underneath. Okay. Now let's go if he has his arms over like this.
Feels good.
Okay. Is this a bad spot for me as well? Yes, absolutely. Okay. He's taking away my movement. Okay. But I still want the same principle of separating my hips from his hips where he can't compress me and lift me. Okay. So my hands go on the hips and then I base back through here. Okay. All right. That's the first step. So this is the whole technique all the way through. I moved to what was called the Muay Thai pummel, neck control. Okay, if you ever watch Muay Thai fighters, they get on the crown of the head. You can direct that person's movement through controlling their spine. So what am I doing here with some explanation? Hand grabs above me, both my arms are pinned. Hand goes to the hips, combat base. Okay, I can move my hips away, stick one arm in, two arms in here on the crown of the head. All right, if justified, could I give him a good knee here? Absolutely, but when I have his head and his spine, all I have to do is move and go, and he's going. All right, because I can control his movement because I have his spine. A little bit more explanation. He comes on it. All right, immediately, I don't want him lifting up, hands on his hips, drive my hips away. Okay, all right, I can use my forehead here up against his shoulder to create a little bit more space to break his grip. Hand goes in, crown of the head, hand goes in, crown of the head, keep his head down. Okay, from here, strike if you're justified, but ideally all you can do is just throw him out of the way and disengage. Okay, what is the most common mistake here? It's going to be the Muay Thai pummel position. And what do I mean? Is when we get in through here, and I get to this position here, when I come in here, is I go for the back of the neck. Dan, can you posture here? Yes. Okay. You never want to control somebody by the back of their neck because they have all the power of muscles in their back. You can control near the crown of the head, right here. Now, can you lift yourself up there? All right. The more on the top of the crown that I have it, the better control. The more that I move my hands down here, that's where he's able to close the space and posture up. That will be the most common mistake with neck rest on the back of the head. All right. So once again, from the beginning, he grabs, hands on the hips, get back. My forehead here is right here on the shoulders until I can get some space in here. Hand goes in, crown of the head. Hand goes in, crown of the head. Strike if justified, or you just move him out of the way. Very simple control hold with this. All right? Any questions?